All right, y'all. We here.
Y'all see it? Don't dump it.
Oh, my bad. What is it?
Country cooking. Delicious crab fit. I heard they're so good.
I heard mixed reviews though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man, give them a shout out though. Son, and Mama.
Why you laughing?
Yeah.
You
want to see it? Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that look thick right there too.
I think I don't like this.
It's a front, but look, it used to be packed out there.
Thanksgiving.
Let's say like Thanksgiving. It used to be packed out there, right?
This sauce would be good with some rice.
Everybody say that.
This is good.
The sauce not nasty.
This sauce is good. I like this sauce.
I want a piece.
It tastes like right.
Yeah, I like this. I like it. Yeah, I think we got the good batch, y'all. This is good. I don't know what y'all talking about.
No, just look. Did you know this remind me of? One day I had a doctor's appointment. I was eating them sauteed crabs.
I don't like that lemon taste.
And that lemon taste.
It took my blood pressure
Lemon
up.
taste it.
That's what this is like. Look.
Cause you keep yapping.
I ain't doing
Taste the
nothing.
crab,
Look at
nigga.
the thing.
It's not nasty though, how y'all said it was.
Yeah. Y'all like me. Nasty. The sauce kind of good. It's different, but
It's thick though.
no, it's
I
really
ain't tasted
good.
it.
Look at wait. What it looks like that's in the sauce.
I tasted some so.
No, like I can.
I like it.
I'm telling you.
I see it. I see what
It's
you're
just a
saying.
little.
The lemon taste.
Yeah, y'all need doing that.
It's just a little.
But I like the
I don't need the lemon.
I like the broth taste.
But
It's kind of good.
it's cool. I mean, I don't know. See, I always be giving up. It's not the way people were saying it.
Yeah.
It make you seem like
It was nasty.
you don't want to try them.
I was really scared. The whole time
Right.
it was nasty.
But I don't know if I would come back.
I would.
I would.
They're good.
You would come. You don't even like sauteed crabs. You would come back to get these.
Yeah, I like this. Because it don't taste like garlic. You know, I don't
It's
like
not
that garlic
nasty.
taste. Yeah, it's not nasty. I actually like the sauce.
Yeah,
I'm about to
like
make
it.
some rice with this.
Yeah, I can see rice
Put
in
it
it
on
though.
top of it.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like that rice in it.
Some rice with this would be busting. I really like this sauce. I like this sauce a lot. A whole lot. I
Too
like
much
this.
sauce for me.
Oh my God,
Just
look at
making
her.
a mess.
Making a mess. It's dirty.
Wipe my shirt.
And my car gonna be smelling like crap.
Wipe my fingers.
Bro, I like the sauce a lot, bro. The same people that don't like our sauce probably
Trying to
like our
open this
cooking.
up though.
So maybe that's what it is.
This joint bang, I don't care.
It's banging. Oh, you want crab?
Where's it at?
Y'all too much. Y'all like it. Y'all just licking the
He said, "Where
sauce.
you want crab?" He said, "Where is that?"
Y'all been crazy.
He said, "Where is that?" You hear him say, "Where's that?" Everyone
Make a
came
mess,
in.
man.
I'm alright.
Yep. This my work stuff. Oh, grab it.
Where is it? Oh, I didn't even see it.
You dropped it.
I'm gonna sweating. And my dog like to eat. I gotta see this for my dog. What time is it?
It's good, guys.
It's good, y'all.
I didn't notice though they ain't had garlic on it. It
Yeah,
seemed like
I
it
don't
would have
like-
it on,
I
had
don't
garlic
like
stuff
garlic,
on
so I don't like
it.
it ain't got garlic in it. That's probably why I like this. I don't like
yeah.
the garlic. Everything else I like. I don't even like lemon pepper. This is really good.
It's all right, it's
I
different.
think I grabbed the right pan. Cause they ain't even real spicy like this. I mean salty like you said. Oh my God, it's salty. It ain't even salty.
My advice. Now you gotta make different sauces now.
I mean, my yours was at the top. That means it just got done.
Cause this tastes like something I had at like
And if it just sit there, it's getting
what's that called?
salty.
Krusty Krabs. Right?
Yeah.
What's the one we went to up 309? Krusty Krabs. And we had one out there. But one of them joints.
I will be able to try one of these out there.
The crab itself tastes good though.
This is messy. I need to be in the house.
Yeah, they should have sat out in the back. In the back of the car.
All right.
We would have had to go to that person back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good though. It got nasty. I thought it was I told you it was gonna be good, Mom. I did tell you that.
Yeah.
You
don't
said
know how
no,
many
this is
back-
my cousin face.
She probably
Yeah.
had the next bit.
See, my thing is though, like we don't really be eating sauteed
That's
drinks,
so good.
right? So, and sauteed been in for the last couple years.
Yeah.
So if y'all used to saute, yeah, this ain't one of the better ones. This
Yeah. I don't like all that garlic and butter, but this ain't got that garlic. This ain't got that garlic
It
taste.
is not spicy.
Got
It ain't got
butter.
that garlic taste. It don't got that butter taste. It's not spicy. It's not salty. It don't got that lemon in it. Y'all talking about?
If I was eating the crab that I usually get, my God, I'd be like,
Yes.
I would have been done.
It's not spicy. Right?
But that, like, this would be good with some rice and
It looks
You
scary.
keep saying with rice.
Yeah. I want the sauce. And then I'm taking the sauce home and making some rice with it. She sell the sauce. I might have to buy it. With some rice. It really tastes like chicken broth. Right. It just tastes like, oh my God. It's just the sauce. I gotta let my son taste it. I gotta record Damien tasting.
just like he did crumble cookies.
Oh my God, bro. Just fly my son. All right, y'all, we about to leave.
I want this.
I gotta get my kids.
So I don't know.
Bye, guys.
It was good though. Let's go back to crabs though.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get her done, see
You
we
said
should.
pick any pan, right? She got all the pans laid out. I was looking, and the first one I looked at, I picked the top one. I think I got the best one.
You gotta go with your mom.
Yeah, you want good crabs? Go with your mama. We got the eye for the eye.
She like
$30
me personally.
for all these crabs.
I ride all the way down Baltimore for some good crabs.
These
That's
good.
crab.
They even
I think
taste
I like these
good.
even more because they're not spicy.
Yeah,
And
they're
I'm
not spicy,
struggling
right?
now.
They're not spicy. The taste of the inside don't taste fishy,
Yeah, it tastes. It's perfect.
and they cook good. Like I like them. And I've been eating, on process of making my own crab. Oh my God, look at that juice dripping.
These is a juicy crab.
Mm-hmm. They good. 10 out of 10 for me. Mm-hmm. And to be honest, I don't even like her food. So for me to say it's good, it must be good.
Ooh, I'm scared for you, I'm scared.
Yes. Like I think that food is the most disgusting food in the whole world. Oh no.
I just hope I feel good after.
When I had fish and her rice, it was busting.
Yeah,
Too.
you was saying you like that.
So it's 2 times now. I don't know. She about to win me over, y'all.
This with the crabs.
That food I had on. Remember when I went there when we went to Thanksgiving thing? That food was good.
Yeah.
I had the bake. Cilantro. Salmon. That's something I had. Over rice.
Yeah.
Remember
But
that? I got my kids.
yeah.
They're good. But yeah, y'all should go out and add some salt. Bro, what you had that? Yeah, all the sauce.
She had a pocket or
I
something.
had dinner.
Yeah, the pocket of
All this
sauce.
butter.
Oh yeah, yeah, I don't like all that.
This all this limp.
Yeah, some of them
I'm not
got
finishing that one.
some of them got a lot of lemon peppers. Like that one, that one piece I had when I said I don't like the lemon. You taste all
You
the,
could taste all the lemon
all the
and butter
lemon.
too.
Mhm.
I don't like that.
If you dip it just in this sauce down here, it's good. But just
Yeah.
the seasoning by itself,
Nah, I just like the big ones. I was just better.
that's why I don't eat the claws.
But once you
stuff.
open them, once you open it, it ain't got no
Yeah, you open
The
it and dip
sauce
it in
on
this sauce, it'd be good. But this top sauce,
Mhm.
you taste too much lemon. Right? All right, I'm done.
What's
Here.
the
That would be
name?
like them.
Yeah, because it's 3 o'clock.
I
Yeah,
give
but-
it a 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
How
give
about
it.
y'all?
Yeah.
8 out of 10?
The juice, I give it a 10 out of 10. But the seasoning, I give it like a 7 out of 10.
The lemon, I give it a 0.
This juice, this sauce, or whatever the hell this is so good. Like,
Yeah, if she ain't had lemon in it, it'd be. a
oh
lot
my
better.
God, this is so good. Because I hate garlic, and it just tastes so good without this garlic. Like,
In my mouth, not hot.
It's good though.
when I go places, I hate getting sauteed crabs because it be too much butter. So for me to get this is shocking. Like,
See, it's butter, the butter on top, but in the juice that she put.
I get my kids first.
Okay, after.
I might open another one up.
No, we gotta go. You can. Are you going to
And then can you give me one when you open it up?
That's why I was going to open it up.
I'm trying to get my food.
Let me like it. You think I should try it. Some people don't think it's good.
It's good.
It's good, just the sauce.
It's good.
The sauce is good. It's just the seasoning. She don't like the seasoning. But the sauce is good. She don't like the lemon pepper, actually. The sauce
Yeah,
is
everything,
cool.
the sauce cool, but I
The
didn't
lemon
like,
pepper. She don't
And
like
then that one that I had, y'all could taste everything.
These are
I didn't
mustard
want to
too.
finish it, man. Because you could taste everything.
Oh, that's probably what people talking about then.
What?
Yeah, no.
Everything, because everything else we did.
No, if you
I gotta try to get this up to do without. Fuck it. Fuck.
put it in the thing.
What the fuck? She didn't even eat the shit. Look.
That's not meat, man.
Come on, yeah, open it. What's in there? Flip it open. Yes, it is. Yes.
Oh.
The hell? Oh my god.
Yeah.
This why you don't eat crabs for kids.
They don't like it.
You gotta get it over to it's clear.
She
like,
she just graduated from claws to crabs, though. It's like the what? 2, 3 times she had crabs instead of just the claw. So she don't know no better.
sorry. Didn't mean to do it. Yeah,
Who phone is it?
They ain't got no hammer. Mine, just trying to get my children. I brought your shirt. Thank you. But yeah, make sure y'all like our video and share it
Subscribe.
because they're not nasty TikTok viewers. They're actually good.
Yeah, they
And I'm happy I didn't go for nobody reviewing and I was about to not get them because everybody else said they was nasty.
I
But
told her, I said, man,
they're not nasty.
they good. Every time.
I'm gonna make another video in the house because I need one for TikTok. This with YouTube. But yeah. Bye guys.
This one crab good.
Yes, it's really good, y'all. I'm sorry. I really like this. Like, and I ain't hungry. I was because I ate. I just had a quesadilla, so yeah. But make sure you guys comment, subscribe. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye.